Hi, here by popular demand is a short tutorial on writing nuclear decay equations. We've got a generic type of formula. Somewhere you're going to see a blank. You're going to be given two pieces of information, and you'll be asked to figure out a third. What we're going to look at is up top. This is our mass number, and at the bottom is the atomic number. And we are going to figure out what goes in the blank by looking at the alpha particle that was given off in this example. So the atomic number is not going to change in total. It will change because two protons are coming out of this nucleus. So whatever goes in here is going to be two less than the two that came out of it. So we start with what we had before, Z, and we take away 2. Then mass number is going to be 4 less because we lost 2 protons, that made 2 out of the 4, and 2 neutrons. That's what makes up your alpha particle. So whatever this number is, this is going to be 4 less based on what you see given in the A and Z positions for your particle that came off. So whatever this forms, this is actually called the parent, and this is actually called the daughter, and I think that's cool. Don't know why it's like that, but that's how it is. So let's try the uranium-234 isotope together. We have uranium-234 emitting an alpha particle. So we're going to take our atomic number or number of protons and decrease it by 2. 92 minus 2 leaves me with 90 protons. And 234 minus 4 gives me a mass number of 230. What has 90 protons? Looking at a periodic table, we can see that that would be thorium, TH. So we know to fill in the blank with thorium. That's for an alpha particle. You can do the exact same thing if you have, let's say, let's do a beta plus emission. We don't know what we're starting with, but we know that we're going to form uranium-234. I'm just making this up. And a positron. Beta plus or positron is being emitted. All right, what do we see here? We see that there are no nucleons involved in forming this positron or positive electron. And we have a +1 atomic change. So whatever goes in this blank is going to be this 92 plus whatever's right here, 1. So we know our new element formed is going to have the atomic number 93. We know what's going in our blank is going to be 234 plus 0, or its mass number is still 234. Looking over on our periodic table, number 93 is neptunium, so we know NP goes in this blank. When you have beta minus or electron emission, it's going to look like a regular electron. Again, there are no nucleons, but we will have a -1 change in whatever is in our blank. Let's say we start with a phosphorus 33 isotope. What is phosphorus 15? And what goes in the blank here? What number plus -1 equals 15? Well, that would have to be 16. Plus -1 is 15. 0 plus what equals 33? Well, that would be 33. Going back to our periodic table, what is 16? That would be sulfur. So we know that there's an S. I hope that helps a little bit. Let me know if it does, and let me know if it doesn't. I'll be able to help you in some way. Good luck, everybody. Keep in touch with me.